My lords and ladies, I come before you today to speak of a new magic that has entered our realm. Magic that has the power to shape the future of our world in ways that we can scarcely imagine. I speak, of course, of AI, the magic of machines that can think and learn and make decisions beyond the capabilities of human minds. AI is a force that has already begun to transform the way we live, work, and way of life. And yet, it is a force that we have only just begun to understand. Some among us fear this new magic and the changes that it may bring. Others see in AI the potential for a better world, a world where disease and poverty are conquered, where the possibilities for discovery and innovation are limitless. Which of these paths will we choose? Will we shy away from this new magic and cling to the familiar ways of the past? Or will we embrace the power of AI and use it to shape a better future for ourselves and our descendants? The night is dark, my lords, and the future is uncertain. But one thing is clear. AI is here to stay, and we cannot afford to ignore it. And so, let us begin this journey together with open minds and cautious hearts, and let us see where this new magic will take us.
Before we delve into the heart of this presentation, let us first take stock of the quantum path. This slide in the form of table of contents shall serve as your guide. Behold, we have a journey ahead of us, one that will take us through many lands and across many seas. We begin with an overview of AI, the history of AI, the many types of AI, familiarize ourselves with several subfields of AI, such as machine learning, deep learning, and NLP, the importance of AI, and some real-life examples of AI, and a final curtain call in which we lay the foundation for a new era.
Let's start with the basics. What is AI exactly? At its core, AI refers to machines or computer programs that can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, perception, understanding natural language, and making decisions. Now I know what you're all thinking. Great, another presentation on how robots are going to take over the world. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you, I'm here to entertain you. In fact, AI has the potential to improve many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation. And don't worry, even the smartest AI still can't fold a fitted sheet.
Let's talk about the history of AI. In the 1950s, the brilliant mathematician and a computer scientist by the name of Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, a measure of machines' ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. Alan Turing, the code breaker who saved millions of lives. Fast forward to the 1956, and at the Dartmouth conference marked the birth of AI as a field. It was a time of optimism and excitement, with researchers dreaming of machines that could think and learn like humans. Imagine a world where you could just ask your computer to do your laundry. Moving on to 1997, and IBM's Deep Blue defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It was a milestone moment in the history of AI, demonstrating that machines could not only match but surpass human intelligence in certain domains. And Kasparov probably wished that he had the undo button after the game. In 2011, IBM Watson defeated two human champions on Jeopardy, showcasing the power of natural language processing in AI. It was an impressive feat, But let's face it, we've all had our fair share of misunderstandings with Siri and Alexa. Then, in 2015, Google AlphaGo defeated the Go champion Lee Sedol, a game that was thought to be too complex for machine to master. But AlphaGo proved us wrong. And it even discovered moves that human players had never considered before. And here we are, struggling to master tic-tac-toe. In 2018, Google AlphaZero took things to the next level by developing the ability to learn to play chess, shogi, and Go without any human input. It was another major milestone in the field of AI, and it demonstrated the potential for machines to learn and adapt on their own. If only we humans could learn to be that efficient. Jumping ahead to 2020, OpenAI released GPT-3, one of the most advanced language models to date. It can generate incredibly realistic text, and it's even been used to write articles, stories, and poetry. In 2021, OpenDAL-E demonstrated the potential for AI in creative fields by generating realistic images from textual descriptions. It was an impressive demonstration of the power of AI, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities for the futures of art and design. Finally, in 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT, a large language model capable of performing a variety of natural language processing tasks, including answering questions and generating text. It is a major breakthrough in the field of AI, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. To summarize, it all started back in the mid 20th century. A bunch of brainy folks got together and decided that they want to create machines that could think and learn like humans. And thus, the field of AI was born. AI researchers then gotten a little fancier with the development of expert systems that uses knowledge-based rules to solve specific problems. It was like having a really smart friend who could tell you exactly what's wrong with you, but of course, without all the judgment. Fast forward to the 2010, and things really started to get interesting with the development of neural networks that are algorithms modeled after the structure of human brain. And they led to breakthroughs in areas like speech recognition, image recognition, and natural language processing. It's like we finally taught the computers how to see and hear and talk, like they're real, live being, except they're not. Nowadays, AI is everywhere, from your phone to your car to your toaster. Okay, maybe not your toaster, but give it time. We're using AI for everything from predicting the weather to recommending movies on Netflix.
There are three main types of AI: narrow or weak AI, general or strong AI, and super AI. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI, or weak AI, refers to AI systems that are designed for specific narrow tasks, such as speech recognition, image recognition, or playing chess. These systems are very good at their specific task, but lack the ability to generalize or transfer their knowledge to other tasks. Example of ANI includes voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, and facial recognition systems. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence or Strong AI, refers to AI systems that have the ability to understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. This type of AI would have the ability to reason, plan, solve problems, think abstractly, comprehend complex ideas, learn quickly and autonomously, and adapt to new situations. While narrow AI is already in use today, general AI remains a work in progress. Think of narrow AI like a one-trick pony. It can do one thing really well, like be the world champion at chess, whereas general AI is like a Renaissance human, able to excel in multiple areas. ASI, artificial superintelligence, this refers to hypothetical AI systems that are more advanced than current AI technologies and that may have capabilities that surpass those even of humans. These systems would have the ability to learn and solve problems at a much faster rate than humans and may even be able to improve themselves, leading to a potentially singularity event where AI becomes exponentially more intelligent. However, as it stands, both AGI and ASI are still largely theoretical and have not yet been achieved.
One of the most important and rapidly advancing subfields of AI is machine learning. Machine learning refers to the set of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforced learning. Machine learning is like training a toddler, but instead of teaching them to walk and talk, you are teaching them to recognize pattern and make prediction based on data. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to recognize patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based on the data. Machine learning algorithm can be used to solve a wide range of problems, from image and speech recognition to fraud detection and natural language processing. Remember, we mentioned the three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforced learning. In supervised learning, an algorithm learns to map inputs to output based on the example of input-output pairs. The examples that you are familiar with, like email. Email filtering providers use supervised learning to filter out spam email based on a training set labeled spam and non-spam emails. Image recognition, self-driving cars use supervised learning to identify objects in their environment, such as traffic signs, pedestrians, and other cars. Speech recognition, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use supervised learning to recognize spoken commands and respond appropriately. In unsupervised learning, an algorithm learns to identify patterns and relationships in data without being explicitly told what the correct output should be. Clustering. Unsupervised learning can be used to group a similar customer based on their purchasing habits, allowing retailers to target them with more personalized marketing messages. Anomaly detection. An example would be banks use unsupervised learning to detect fraudulent transactions, which can be identified as anomalies in the data. Recommendation systems. E-commerce websites and streaming platforms use unsupervised learning to suggest products or content to users based on their past behaviors and preferences. Sentiment analysis. Companies can use semi-supervised learning to analyze customer reviews and social media posts to identify trends and sentiments towards their products. Medical diagnosis. Doctors can use semi-supervised learning to analyze medical images, combining labeled and unlabeled data to improve accuracy to identify patterns. Last but not least, reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an algorithm learns to make decisions based on trial and error feedback from its environment. An example would be game playing. Reinforced learning has been used to train computers to play games like chess and Go at a world-class level. Robotics. Robots can use reinforced learning to learn how to navigate and interact with their environment, adapting to changes and finding the most efficient way to complete a task. Resource allocation. Reinforcement learning can be used to optimize resource allocation in industries like manufacturing and transportation, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste.
Another subfield of AI that has gained a lot of attention in recent years is deep learning. Now, deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, ANN, to learn and make decisions. Deep learning is particularly useful for tasks such as image recognition and natural language processing. Deep learning is like having a really big brain with lots of neurons, except in this case, the neurons are made of computer code and the brain is not that good at trivia. The application that you are all familiar comes in the form of autonomous vehicles. Deep learning has been used to develop self-driving cars, which rely on computer vision algorithms to interpret the environment and make decisions in real time. Companies such as Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have all invested heavily in deep learning technology for autonomous vehicles. Imagine you're driving a car and you come across a red stop sign. Your brain recognizes the shape and color of the sign, and you know that you need to stop your car. This is similar to how deep learning works in self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are equipped with cameras and sensors that detect the environment around them. When a camera captures an image of a stop sign, the deep learning algorithm analyzes the image and learns to recognize the features of a stop sign, such as its shape and color. The algorithm then makes a decision based on that recognition, telling the car to slow down or stop. Over time, the deep learning algorithm continues to learn and improve its ability to recognize different objects in the environment, such as other cars, pedestrians, and traffic lights. This allows the car to make more accurate decisions and drive more safely. So just like your brain learns to recognize different objects and makes decisions based on that recognition, deep learning in cars uses advanced algorithms to recognize and interpret the environment, allowing the car to drive safely and autonomously.
Natural language processing, or as known as NLP, is another subfield of AI that refers to the ability of computers to understand and interpret human language. A field of study that combines computer science and linguistics to help computers understand, interpret human language that focuses on the interaction between computers and human languages. It's like teaching your computer to speak your language, only without the accent. This is what powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice recognition software like Siri and Alexa. NLP involves developing algorithms and computational models that can analyze, understand, and generate human language. It is like having a really smart friend who knows what you mean, even when you don't say it quite right. Just don't try to tell it a joke. It might not get it. Let's discuss some of the applications of NLP in real life. The first on the list is sentiment analysis, which is used by companies to analyze customer feedback and determine whether the overall sentiment is positive or negative. This allows businesses to identify areas where they need to improve and make changes to better meet customer needs. So, next time you leave a negative review for a restaurant, just remember it's not personal, it's just business. NLP is also used in classification by categorizing documents or pieces of text into different categories based on their content. machine translation that automatically translate text from one language to another, speech recognition that converts spoken words into written text, chatbots and virtual assistants, creating intelligent agents that can interact with users in natural language. NLP is a rapidly growing field, and recent advancements in machine learning and deep learning have enabled researchers to develop more sophisticated algorithms and models for analyzing and generating human language.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the wonderful world of AI. Yes, that's right. I'm talking about the robots that are taking over our lives. But don't worry, they're here to help us, not hurt us. And they hold tremendous potential for a wide range of applications. Some of the key benefits of AI include increased efficiency. Let's talk about efficiency. Do you ever feel like you're stuck doing the same boring tasks over and over again? Well, with AI, you can automate those tasks and free up your time for more exciting things, like catching up on the latest cat videos on YouTube or even getting on Netflix with your partner. One of the biggest benefits of AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks and streamline complex processes. This can help organizations improve efficiency and reduce costs, as well as free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to automate tasks and processes, which can help to improve efficiency and reduce costs, a benefit that can lead to improved productivity and faster turnaround times. Benefit number two, improved decision making. Let's talk about decision making then. You know how sometimes you make a decision and then you spend the rest of the day worrying if it was the right one? Well, with AI, you can analyze all the data and make an informed decision that you can be confident in. Plus, you can blame the robot if it all goes wrong. Win-win. AI can help organizations make better and more informed decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns and trends that would be difficult or impossible for humans to detect on their own. AI can analyze vast amounts of data. Once again, for instance, in the healthcare industry, healthcare providers are using AI to analyze medical records and identify patients at risk of developing special health conditions, allowing them to take preventative measures before a problem occurs. Benefit number three, increase personalization. AI can be used to provide personalized experiences that cater to individual preferences and needs. For instance, retailers are using AI to recommend products to customers based on their past purchases and browsing history, while banks are using AI to provide personalized financial advice to clients. The next benefit, increased security. Safety is also a key benefit of AI. We all want to stay safe, right? Well, with AI-powered systems, you can detect potential hazards before they become serious safety issues. It's like having a superpower that lets you see the future without all the cape and spandex. AI can be used to improve safety in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to transportation to manufacturing. For example, AI-powered systems can monitor equipment and detect potential hazards before they become serious safety risks. Self-driving cars use AI to detect potential hazards and adjust their driving accordingly, while industrial manufacturers are using AI to monitor equipment and identify potential safety risks before they become an issue. Faster and more accurate data processing. AI can process large volumes of data at a speed and accuracy that would be impossible for humans to comprehend. This can help to improve decision making as well as to provide insights into complex problems. For example, insurance companies are using AI to analyze claims data and identify patterns of fraud, allowing them to take action allowing them to take action more quickly and accurately. Increased accuracy. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that may not be immediately apparent to humans. This will lead to more accurate predictions and decision as well as reduced errors and mistakes. Streamlined processes. AI can automate various processes in cryptocurrency transactions, such as identity verification and transaction monitoring. This can lead to faster and more efficient transaction. Enhanced customer experience. Now let's move on to customer experience. Who doesn't love feeling special and appreciated? With AI, you can deliver personalized experiences that make your customers feel like they're the only ones in the world. It's like having a personal shopper, but without the awkward small talk. AI can help organizations deliver personalized, responsive customer experiences by analyzing customer data and behavior through tailoring interactions and recommendations to individual needs and preferences. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support for all users, even in the cryptocurrency field, answering questions and resolving issues in real time. Increased accessibility. AI can help make services and products more accessible to people with disabilities or language barriers, such as utilizing speech recognition or translation technologies. Expanded capabilities. Finally, let's talk about expanded capabilities. Do you know how sometimes you wish you could be in two places at once? With AI, you can do just that. Sort of. You can use AI to optimize your supply chain management and logistics, or even analyze medical images and assist in diagnosis. It's like having a clone, but without all the ethical concerns. AI assists organizations in expanding their capabilities to achieve tasks that would be difficult or impossible for humans to accomplish alone. For example, AI can be used to analyze medical images and provide assistance in diagnosing or optimize supply chain management and logistics. Overall, the benefits of AI are vast and varied. The technology holds tremendous potential for organizations in a wide range of industries. With careful planning and considerations, organizations and individuals, such as yourself, can leverage the benefits of AI to improve all aspects of life. Just remember, the robots aren't here to take over the world. They are here to make our lives easier, safer, and more fun.
One of the example of narrow AI is the Roomba vacuum cleaner. It's really good at one thing, which is cleaning floors, but it can't do everything else other than, well, just cleaning. Another example of narrow AI is the facial recognition software used by law enforcement. It's good at recognizing faces, but it's not excellent in recognizing human emotions. So don't try to trick it by making funny faces. Google Translate is an example of NLP in action. It can translate text from one language to another, and even has a feature where you can speak into your phone and it will translate your words in real time. Self-driving cars are one of the most amazing examples of how AI is being used in transportation. They use machine learning to recognize road signs, traffic patterns, and even pedestrians. However, many companies have not yet perfected its functionalities. Therefore, they have a long way to go before self-driving cars become automated perfect drivers. So maybe Don't take a nap at the backseat just yet. The implementation of AI in the field of medicine has been utilized to help diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. For example, IBM Watson is assisting doctors to improve their decision making by analyzing vast amount of medical data. AI is being used in healthcare to ameliorate patient outcomes and reduce costs. An example that can be given is how AI algorithms are able to analyze medical images and identify potential health issues such as tumors and abnormalities with greater accuracy and speed than human experts. AI is widely implemented in the world of entertainment too. For example, Netflix uses AI to recommend movies and TV shows based on your viewing histories. So, if you're wondering why it keeps on recommending romantic comedies, maybe it's time to change your viewing habits. It does not end here, as AI also provides an intensive and accurate financial data where it is able to assist in detecting fraud, which reduces the risk and in return improve customer experiences. An example that I can give is that numerous banks are using AI-powered chatbots all around the world to provide personalized financial advice and support to customers. Moving on to the next real-life example is in manufacturing industries, where AI is being used in manufacturing to optimize production processes, reducing waste, and improve quality control. Factories are using AI-powered sensors to monitor equipment and detect potential issues before they cause downtime or quality problems. AI is also being used in education system to personalize learning experience and improve student outcomes. For example, AI-powered software can analyze student data and provide personalized recommendations for learning materials and study strategies. Oh, how lucky it is to become a student at this age and era. Lastly, the AI is also being implemented into retail to enhance customer experience and improve sales. For example, retailers are using AI-powered recommendation engines to suggest products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history. There are many real-life applications of AI today across a wide range of industries and domains. There are some of the examples of the many ways that AI is being used in real life applications. As AI continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more exciting and innovative use cases emerge across a wide range of industries and domains.
Looking ahead, there are many exciting possibilities for the future of AI. AI has the potential to transform industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. It could also help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing society today, such as climate change and disease. Looking ahead, the future of AI is like a choose your own adventure book. We get to decide where we want to go and what we want to do with this amazing technology. In the blockchain and crypto industry, the future of AI is also likely to play a significant role in shaping the development of technology. Some potential trends and developments include improved security and fraud prevention. AI can be used to improve the security of blockchain and crypto transactions by detecting and preventing fraudulent activities in real time. Enhance scalability. The use of AI can help address some of the scalability challenges faced by blockchain technology by improving the speed and efficiency of transaction processing. Increase automation. AI can also be used to automate various aspects of blockchain and crypto transactions, such as identity verification, smart contract execution, and data analysis. It also provides greater accessibility. The use of AI-powered interfaces can help make blockchain and crypto technology more accessible to the general public by simplifying complex processes and providing user-friendly interfaces. Improved decision-making. AI can help inform investment decisions in the crypto space by analyzing market trends and identifying patterns that may be difficult for humans to discern. Overall, the use of AI in the blockchain and crypto industry has the potential to improve security, scalability, efficiency, and accessibility, while also enabling more informed decision making. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative applications of AI in this space. As AI continues to evolve, it's opening up new opportunities for businesses and individuals around the world. From improving decision making to enhancing automation, the potential applications of AI are vast and varied. Looking ahead, we can expect to see AI play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of various industries, from healthcare, finance, education. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that are difficult for humans to discern, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we work and live. Join us in exploring the future of AI and unlocking the potential of this exciting and rapidly evolving technology.
As we wrap up this presentation on AI, we wish to emphasize the importance of staying connected and up to date with the latest development in Satoshi AI. One way to do this by following our social media. By doing so, you can stay informed about the latest breakthroughs and emerging trends. So don't hesitate to hit that follow button and join the conversation online.
In conclusion, it seems that the power of this newfangled magic known as AI has the potential to greatly benefit the realm, with its efficient ways and its ability to make informed decisions. Of course, there are those who would claim that this magic is a curse and that we should not meddle in affairs that we do not fully understand. They argue that AI could bring about a new era of darkness and that we should be wary of its potential dangers. However, I believe that with proper care and guidance, we can harness the power of AI for the good of all. We must approach this new magic with caution and respect, and never forget that it is ultimately our responsibility to ensure that it serves the realm and not the other way around. So let us embrace this new era of innovation and let us work together to use the power of AI to build a better future for ourselves and our descendants. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used in the real world. As you can see, AI has the potential to revolutionize many different fields, from transportation to medicine to even entertainment. However, as with any powerful tool, we need to use it responsibly and ethically. Magic is real, my lords, and it comes in many forms. The magic of fire and ice, and now the magic of AI. We must wield this magic with care and caution, for its power is great and its consequences unknown. But we cannot fear progress nor the unknown, for as our world changes and evolves, so too must we. Let us embrace this new magic and let us use it to shape a better future for our realm. For the night is dark and full of terrors, but with AI on our side, we may just stand a chance. This draws the curtain on Volume 1, A Song of AI and Magic. Thank you for listening, and I hope you've enjoyed this presentation.